Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is on finding your singing style. Now, if you're new to singing, or even if you've been singing for a while, but you feel like you struggle with finding your individual voice, then it's important to take some time to do this before moving on with more advanced techniques so that you can make sure you are not limiting your potential in any way, shape or form. Now, singing in somebody else's style, or kind of with what we would like to call a bit of a fake voice, imitating other people's accents and the way that they do things, can be limiting in the fact that those can put strain on your voice and not allow you to be as open, as free as possible. So the best way to stop doing this is to sing a song that you're working on, or a song that you want to start working on, without the music. Have a listen to yourself singing a line at a time, or maybe even a paragraph, and then stop and speak that paragraph and see if there's any differences. If you're singing in an accent that perhaps isn't your own native accent, or singing in different inflections and colors in your voice that really aren't something you would do naturally, then try singing without those. Try and strip the voice back down to the bare essentials and then build it up with your own unique style. Remember, there's only one you and there's only one of your voices, and that's the only voice that's ever going to get you anywhere in life, unless you're okay with being a cover singer or an impersonator for the rest of your career. So, if you want to work on your own beautiful, unique sound, sit down with your songs and start to try and work out the difference between how you're singing it now and how you would sing it if that version of the song didn't exist and you were just starting from scratch. So that's my tip of the week. If you like this tip, then please head to the Voicehouse website and check out what our unique program is all about. Best of luck with your singing, and I will see you next week.